Hey everyone, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm using nails that I got from Amazon. I got a pack of 500 for like $9, so it's not expensive. And right now I'm just filing off the tips of the nails to get rid of the rough edge, and then I buff the nails, and then we move on to the next step. So now I'm just dusting to get rid of all the lint and the dust from the buffing. If you don't do this, then you're gonna have super bumpy nails when you paint the gel polish. I'm using this gel polish that I got from Sally's Beauty Supply Store. It's by this company named ASP, and it's a pretty good gel polish. It's really thick and it's really black. I did about 3 coats of this gel polish. 2 would have been fine, but I just did 3. I feel like 3 is like a magical number when it comes to painting my nails. I don't know why. But yeah, so the 3 coats look good, but I make sure to do thin coats because if it's too thick, it'll become super, it just doesn't look good thick. Don't do it thick. You don't want it thick with 2 C's, okay? Just thin layers and you'll be good. So this is what the nails look like with 3 coats of polish on them. And now I'm going to do a design on the ring finger. I got this case of like gold flecks. Well, there's different colors in it, but I'm going to use the black and gold flecks. And I got it from AliExpress. I'll leave a link down below for them. It's super inexpensive, but it takes forever to get to you because it took me like a month to get mine. Well, maybe not a month, maybe like 3 weeks, but that's still a very long time. I just recorded a voiceover for this and I deleted it by accident, and now I have to do it all over, and I've already done it like 10 times, so I have to do it another time. Here it goes. So this gel polish has a sticky layer, and I'm just pushing the gold flecks into the sticky layer, and then after that I use my fingers to press them down so there's no bumps on the nail, and then I just add a top coat, and then we're all set. I really like how the way these nails came out. The nails from Amazon, they're nice, they're strong, they won't bend. They're good quality. If you guys like this video, please leave me a comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff people say after they make videos. And I will see you guys again next time. Thank you.